What if you could take control of your diabetes care? Imagine a world where the constant checking of glucose levels and the precise dosing of insulin could be a thing of the past. Welcome to the era of the do-it-yourself bionic pancreas. This isn't science fiction, it's a reality that's changing lives today. A group of individuals with type 1 diabetes started a movement to develop software that would automate the delivery of insulin. They shared their code, received feedback from users, and what emerged was a new generation of open-source technology for automated insulin delivery. Today, around 30,000 people use open-source systems like OpenAPS, Android APS, and Loop. The success of these systems isn't just anecdotal. Two randomized controlled trials have underlined the safety and effectiveness of open-source systems. The US Food and Drug Administration has even granted regulatory clearance to an automated insulin delivery system that's based on an open-source algorithm. But as commercial automated insulin delivery systems make their entrance into the market, questions arise about the future of the open-source movement. Advocates, however, believe that the community is still pushing the technology in new directions that offer more personalization and automation. The FDA's approval of the open-source system Tidepool Loop could make this technology more accessible. However, open-source algorithms require compatibility with continuous glucose monitors and pumps made by other companies, which poses a challenge. Some device manufacturers are wary of relying on third parties for crucial components of automated insulin delivery systems. In conclusion, the advent of the DIY Bionic Pancreas marks a significant shift in diabetes care. The open-source movement has democratized access to automated insulin delivery, offering a new level of control to those living with type 1 diabetes. However, the compatibility with other devices and the entrance of commercial systems pose challenges that the community will need to navigate. This is a story of innovation, tenacity, and above all, a testament to the power of community in healthcare.